Justice Tashi Rabistan sir, former Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh High Court, respected Vice Chancellor Sir Professor Umesh Rai, Head and Dean of the Department of Law Professor Manju Jambolia, Professor Arvind Visodia, Professor Satinder Kumar, Professor Sanjay Gupta, respected faculty members, distinguished guests, alumni, scholars and students. Honored by the presence of such esteemed dignitaries and our accomplished alumni who continue to inspire to present a planter as a token of sincere respect and warm welcome to our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Tashi Rabistan sir.
मैम सामने मैम
And good evening to Honorable Mr. Justice Tashi Rabistan, former Chief Justice of J&K and Ladakh, our most illustrious alumnus and Chief Guest of today's occasion, worthy Vice Chancellor Professor Umesh Rai, DSW, respected faculty members, staff members, dear students, and our stars of the day, our alumni, the achievers, and their parents present in the hall. It gives me immense joy and pride to welcome you all on behalf of faculty, students, staff to this very special occasion. Today is a momentous occasion for our department. As I stand here, I am filled with pride and emotions because this is the first ever felicitation function organized by the Department of Law. Celebration of dedication, hard work, perseverance, and high academic standards.
Call Miss China Sumri on the stage, please. Please. She is Miss Samriti, civil judge presently posted. I'd like to call Miss Poonam Gupta, civil judge presently posted at Kathua Court. Newly appointed. Once again, I repeat. Next, I would like to call Mr. Anshu Lal Sharma, civil judge, newly appointed. I would like to call Ms. Shikha Jambal, newly appointed civil judge. Next, I would like to call Ms. Next, I would like to call Ms. Sanjogita Sani, newly appointed civil judge in 2026 batch. Next, I would like to call Ms. Sonam. Next, I would like to call big round of applause for everyone. Next, I would like to call Ms. Neena Thakur, Civil Judge of Tax 202. So first of all, I would like to call Ms. Meghna Rani, presently posted at Municipal Court. Flower, presently posted at District Mobile Magistrate Udhampur. Charter, presently posted at Samba Court. Next, I would like to call Ms. Arpita, presently posted at Mazar. I would like to call Priya Sharma. Invite those respected for the readers. Mr. Ram Krishan Singh, presently posted at High Court of Jammu. Mr. Rameshwar Pada, presently posted at High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. With this, once again, big round of applause for everyone.
मैम
Everyone, respected our former High Court Chief Justice Sir, Sir Tashi Sir, this program while you are sitting here, our respected VC Sir, our HOD Ma'am, and all the professors of the Law Department as well as the alumni who are sitting here and all the students. Myself, Tina Sumbria, Civil Judge of 2020 batch. I feel privileged to be a part of this program which has been organized first time in the Law Department as our HOD member said. So it's a wonderful feeling to see all my professors today and being on this position in front of them, which I think so that I have which they taught us when we were in the department. It's all because of the effortless hard work and guidance of our mentors that I am standing here.
To one and all, esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Tashi Rabastan, former Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, Guest of the Honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu, Umesh Raiji, Head of the Department, Law Department, Manju Jamalna, faculty members, dear students, and my fellow alumni. Today, it's a matter of great honor for me to stand and speak in the same alma mater and among the same faculty members who played a crucial shaping my career and personality. Just a while ago, while I was walking through the corridors of Law Department, it again brings back the old, long cherishing memories of growth, learning and challenges.
Thank you everyone.
Welcome, Honorable Justice Tashi Rabastan ji, former Chief Justice, Jammu Kashmir Ladakh High Court, and more importantly, alumnus of this department and the university. So sir, you are welcome in your own university, own department. I also welcome the dignitaries at the dais, faculty members, achievers, and my dear students. And I congratulate Professor Manju Jamal ji in person and the entire department for organizing this event. Why I am saying this? I kept on saying, मैथिली शरण गुप्त की एक कविता, जिसको न निज गौरव तथा निज देश का अभिमान हो, वह नर नहीं निरा पशु मृतक समान है। तो जिसको अपने डिपार्टमेंट का, अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन का लगाव नहीं है, जिससे जुड़ाव नहीं है। एंड देन सेकेंड थिंग, आई गॉट एजुकेटेड फ्रॉम बनारस यूनिवर्सिटी और सबकॉन्शियस में अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि मेरे यहाँ ऐसा होता है तो आई यूज टू मेंशन बनारस यूनिवर्सिटी, दो आई सर्व द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली फॉर 32 ईयर्स। इवन देन मेरे यहाँ ऐसा होता है तो बनारस यूनिवर्सिटी। That kind of feeling needs to be transferred to the young mind so that they can be connected with the institution, with the department, and they should feel that ये मेरा है। So वो मेरा की feeling तभी आएगी जब हम activities से जोड़ेंगे। So I once again congratulate the department for organizing this event. It is
Very good evening to all. Professor Umesh Rai, Vice Chancellor, University of Jammu. Professor Manju Jamwati, Head and Department of Law, University of Jammu. All the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, dear alumni and dear students, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank to Professor Manju and of course Vice Chancellor of Jammu University for inviting me and also to be part of this beautiful event. मैं ऋषि साहब ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मंजू जी ने रेफर की 45 हमारे सिविल जजेस की। आज मैं आई फील वेरी प्राउड बिकॉज almost the 63 and 43 all the posts has been referred under my signature. And today, I am here to facilitate them. It's a very proud moment for me. But one thing I would like to request all the civil judges the people, the citizen of this country has a great expectation from the courts.
Today's honorees, I extend warm congratulations to everyone. Respected Chief Guest of the occasion, Honorable former Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh, Mr. Justice Tashi Ravastan. Esteemed Guest of Honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Umesh Rai, Professor Manju Jamwal, Head and Dean, Faculty of Law, Professor Anindra Sotia, Professor Satinder Kumar, Professor Sanjay Sir, my colleagues Dr. Arif, Professor Savita Nair, Dr. Rajkumar, Sonia Neja, Madam Aarti, distinguished dignitaries, members of the faculty, proud families, and dear students. It is both an honor and a responsibility to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the Department of Law. This evening has been a celebration of commitment, perseverance, and achievement. We have gathered not merely to facilitate our alumni,
बॉयज़ चैम्बर साहब और इसके बाद हेड डिपार्टमेंट लॉ मैडम मंजू जी अमवाल जी, सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक देना चाहूँगा और कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन करना चाहूँगा कि एलुमनिस खासकर जो जुडिशली से रिलेटेड जो है, जुडिशली में जितने स्टूडेंट्स जहाँ जम्मू यूनिवर्सिटी से सिलेक्ट हुए उन सबको आज इन्होंने फेलिसिटेट किया, इसके लिए सबको मुबारक देना चाहूँगा। और दूसरा जितने भी सिलेक्ट हुए सब बच्चों को मुबारक दूँगा और उनके पेरेंट्स को, उनके टीचर्स को। इससे क्या होता है कि थोड़ी सी जो स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी यहाँ डिपार्टमेंट में पढ़ रहे होते हैं उनको एक इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाते हैं। एक ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि ये आप इनको आप अवार्ड दे रहे हो, आज आप फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हो, सर्टिफिकेट दे रहा हो। इससे क्या होता है कि एक जो गैप जो होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स और जो ऑलरेडी एलुमनीज है उनका जो वो ब्रिज जो ना वो इंटरेक्शन होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, वो हो करते रहना चाहिए, हर जगह होते हैं। मैं खुद यहीं से पास आउट किया हूँ और मैं भी एक लकी स्टूडेंट्स रहा हूँ इस यहाँ से, क्योंकि हमारे बेस में 88-89 बेस से अभी हाई कोर्ट में हम 4 जजेस हैं। चलो मैं रिटायर हुआ जी, तो लेकिन 4 मेरे ही बेस के हैं और पीछे 70-80 जुडिशल ऑफिसर्स मेरे ही, जब मैं J1 था, मैं कमेटी का चेयरमैन था, हमने ही रेफ़र किया और सब सेलेक्ट हुआ। 43 अभी रिसेंटली हुआ, 63 पहले हुआ। तो ये सबको खासकर स्टूडेंट्स, खासकर प्रोफेसर्स, सब इनके ही बदौलत आज स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ इस मुकाम पर पहुँचे हुए हैं। तो मैं सबको मुबारक एक बार फिर से देना चाहूँगा।